Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of our series on swapping out that faulty car belt like a pro. In this episode, we'll dive into the step-by-step process of replacing your car belt, guiding you through each stage to ensure a successful outcome. When it comes to vehicle maintenance, knowing how to replace the alternator or serpentine belt can save you time and money. Follow this step-by-step guide to remove the old belt correctly and install the new one with ease. Step-by-step guide to removing the old belt. Locate the belt. Identify the serpentine belt or alternator belt in your vehicle's engine. It is a long belt that wraps around multiple pulleys. Release tension. Use a wrench to loosen the tensioner pulley. This will allow you to remove the belt from the pulleys easily. Remove the belt. Slide the old belt off the pulleys one by one. Take note of the belt's routing to ensure correct installation later. Inspect for damage. Check the old belt for any signs of cracks, fraying, or damage. It's essential to replace it if there are visible issues. Installing the new belt or alternator correctly. Check compatibility. Ensure the new belt is compatible with your vehicle's make and model. Refer to the manufacturer's guidelines for the correct replacement part. Route the belt. Follow the belt routing diagram in your vehicle's manual to guide you in placing the new belt over the pulleys correctly. Apply tension. Use the wrench to relieve tension on the tensioner pulley again. Slide the new belt onto the pulleys according to the correct path. Test the belt. Once the new belt is installed, start your vehicle and let it run for a few minutes to ensure the belt is functioning correctly. By following these simple steps, you can replace the alternator or serpentine belt in your vehicle without the need for professional help. Remember, regular belt maintenance is crucial for your car's performance and longevity. Testing the replacement. After successfully replacing the alternator or serpentine belt, it is crucial to ensure that the new components are functioning correctly. Testing the replacement involves 2 essential steps: starting the engine and checking for proper functioning, and ensuring proper tension and alignment. Start the engine and check for proper functioning. Once the new alternator or serpentine belt is installed, start the engine to see if everything is running smoothly. Listen carefully for any unusual noises such as squealing or grinding, which could indicate a problem with the belt or the alignment of the components. Additionally, pay attention to the dashboard indicators for any warning lights that may signal an issue with the electrical system. If everything sounds normal and there are no warning lights, proceed to the next step. Ensuring proper tension and alignment. Proper tension and alignment of the belt are critical for its optimal functioning and longevity. A belt that is too loose can slip or come off the pulleys, leading to inefficiencies or a complete breakdown of the system. On the other hand, a belt that is too tight can put excessive strain on the components, causing premature wear. To check the tension, press down on the belt between the pulleys. It should give a little under moderate pressure, but not too much. If the belt feels too loose or too tight, adjustments may be necessary. Refer to the vehicle's manual for the specific tension requirements and follow the manufacturer's guidelines for proper alignment. By carefully testing the replacement alternator or serpentine belt for proper functioning, tension, and alignment, you can ensure a smooth and trouble-free operation of your vehicle's charging and accessory systems. Maintenance tips for extended longevity. Taking care of your alternator and serpentine belt is crucial to ensuring their extended longevity and optimal performance. By following these maintenance tips, you can avoid costly repairs and unexpected breakdowns. Regular inspections and cleaning. Regular inspections are key to detecting any issues with your alternator and serpentine belt early on. Make it a habit to visually inspect the belts for signs of wear, cracks, or fraying. If you notice any damage, replacing the belt promptly can prevent further damage to your vehicle's engine. In addition to visual inspections, it's essential to clean the belts regularly to remove any built-up dirt or grime. Use a clean cloth dampened with a mild detergent to gently wipe down the belts, ensuring they are free from debris that can cause premature wear. Listening for unusual noises post-replacement. After replacing the alternator or serpentine belt, listen carefully for any unusual noises while the engine is running. Strange sounds such as squealing, grinding, or rattling could indicate a misaligned or improperly tensioned belt. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent more significant problems down the line. By incorporating these maintenance tips into your regular vehicle care routine, you can ensure the extended longevity of your alternator and serpentine belt, keeping your car running smoothly for years to come. Final considerations. When it comes to alternator and serpentine belt replacement, there are a few final considerations to keep in mind to ensure the optimal performance of your vehicle. When to seek professional help. If you are not confident in your ability to replace the alternator or serpentine belt yourself, it's best to seek professional help. Mechanics have the expertise and tools needed to get the job done efficiently and correctly. Trying to tackle a replacement job beyond your skill level could lead to further damage and costly repairs down the road. Importance of timely replacement. Timely replacement of the alternator and serpentine belt is crucial for the overall health of your vehicle. The alternator is responsible for charging your car's battery and powering the electrical system. A failing alternator can lead to a dead battery and electrical issues while driving. The serpentine belt drives essential components like the power steering pump, water pump, alternator, and air conditioning compressor. A worn-out belt can cause these systems to fail, leading to overheating, loss of power steering, or a lack of cool air in the cabin. By replacing these components on time, you can prevent unexpected breakdowns and maintain your vehicle's reliability on the road. Regular maintenance and prompt replacements can save you time, money, and frustration in the long run. So, don't overlook the importance of timely alternator and serpentine belt replacement for a smoothly running vehicle. As we see, a well-maintained alternator and serpentine belt are crucial for the smooth operation of your vehicle. By replacing these components promptly, you can avoid costly repairs and unexpected breakdowns on the road. Remember to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for replacement intervals and always use high-quality parts to ensure optimal performance. Taking care of your alternator and serpentine belt will not only keep your car running smoothly but also prolong its lifespan. Stay proactive with maintenance, and your vehicle will thank you with reliable performance for miles to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.